Hey everybody, I hope everyone is good. I don't know about where you're at. It's kind of cold where we're at. Wasn't sure if we have school today or not, but we are here. I'm on my lunch break right now, so I'm gonna try to knock some of these videos out, be productive during my lunch. So hit that like and subscribe button for me if these are helping you out. Hopefully it is. And let's get going. This is Eureka Math Squared, second grade, module 3, lesson 9 homework help. All right, number 1 says, circle the shapes that show each share. So our first share says 1/2 of the whole. So you need to see how many pieces are in each shape. So 1, 2, 3, 4 there. So half of it would need to be colored in. So there's 4 pieces. We want to break it in half. So if we broke it in half, if I went like this, I have 2 pieces here and 2 pieces here. Are 2 pieces colored in? So that would be half. No, not in that one. Down here, I have 1, 2, 3 pieces. So if we were able to draw a line to cut this right in half, we'll just go like this. Is half of it colored? Nope, not on that one. All right, let's look at this one. We have 2 pieces. Go there and there. If we take this is our half line right here. If I look, I have 1 out of 2 pieces is colored in on this one. Over here, I have 3 out of 3 pieces. And on the first one, I have 1 out of 4 pieces. If we look right here, that tells us that 1/2, that is 1/2. So this is the one we want to circle. Sorry, my camera was going a little blurry there. All right, the next one says 1/4 of the whole. So let's count our pieces. We're going to do this different, make it a little easier. Let's count all the pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put a 4 there, then a line. How many up top is colored in? 1. Over here, we have 1, 2, 3 pieces. That's our bottom number. How many are colored in? 1, 2, 3. And over here, we have 2 pieces and 1 colored in. So which one of these is 1/4? That would be this one. All right. Number 2 says, partition the trapezoid into thirds. Shade 1/3. Well, this is kind of a funky shape. So we got to figure out how we can make this where it's even. We got to do it as even as we can. So when you see a trapezoid, what do you think of that can make a trapezoid? This is 1. We needed thirds. What's 3 things, 3 shapes that could go in here? You have an idea? We stop and think about it. There is a way we can do it with 1 shape, and there's a hint up here. If you take and do the best you can, if it's not exact, that's okay. Your teacher knows you're trying. Do the best you can almost make, you actually can make 3 triangles. I mean, mine's off a little bit, but I have 1, 2, 3 of them, right? So that's 3. And I'm going to shade in one of them. I'm going to shade in this one. You should be using a crayon. I'm using my marker so you guys can see it a little better. A few people told me sometimes it's hard to see. All right, so I have 1 out of 3 pieces shaded in. It says, what is the shape of the trapezoid? Well, I've helped you a little more than I should already, so you got to write, what is the shape? What is 1/3 of the trapezoid? What is the shape? We made 3 of them. Write that in here. On the back on page 62, what is the difference in the length? The fork is 15 centimeters. The teaspoon is 12 centimeters. Show the difference in length 2 ways. 2 ways. Well, I'll help you in one. If you say the fork is the longest number, so let's put that on top. The teaspoon is a smaller number, so we're going to take away to find the difference means we're subtracting. You got to have your unit of measurement here, what we're talking about. So your answer will also have that, all right? That's all my help for this one. You got to figure that out the rest on your own. Okay, today's was not long, so get this one done. Make sure you have your first and last name and your class number up here. Make sure you finish this. Make sure you turn it in. And I hope you have a good night. See you tomorrow.